Workout time, gyal, workout time. Tell your body pretty and
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up in my people, my viewers, my subscribers, anyone a day in the world, the whole UK, big up on yourself. Because you see right now, my people, me a feature an artist on the channel today who goes by the name of Steady Remz. And me a tell us a people, the artist have a music video with a song featuring Marlon Smoke. And the title of this song with the video goes by Workout Time. And from me hear about workout time, you know, see, I not joke thing, my people. You know, see, a summer, and you want to see the girl them workout. So now hear Steady Remz say, workout time, girl, workout time. Wine and people. And I not joke thing about it. So I'm going to do right now, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to go now preview of Steady Remz track, Steady Remz song called Workout Time, my people. So what I want to do right now, my people, catch that preview, yeah. Don't miss that preview, yeah. Steady Remz, Workout Time. Check it out, my people.
Remz Jim, you ready for exercise time, a showdown? Are you ready? Alright, a showdown time. Referee! And let the challenge begin! Ladies! Welcome to Steady Remz Gym! All y'all, the show! Hand by your knee, girl, push it back. Hand by your knee, girl, push it back. Body it pretty good, slim or fat. Come take a sit, pan for me lap. Hey, girl, can you follow instruction? Hey, girl, can you follow instruction? Alright, workout time, girl, workout time. Workout time, girl, workout time. Tell your body pretty and me like your design. Girl, back it up and Remz give me a wine. Girl, workout time, girl, workout time. Workout time, girl, workout time. Tell your body pretty and me like your design. Girl, back it up and Remz give me a wine. Girl, welcome to me gym. Fluffy girl, thick girl, we broad, girl, we slim. Under me yellow yam mix with the dumpling. We not on.
Some of viewers and subscribers, me know someone say that you not look on the girl them look good. Yo, Steady Remz, one question what me ask you know, whether who gather them ladies up for the video. What me I say, I want to do no research, I want to find them ladies because them turn up, them look good, them look great. And one thing me can say, you see for the brother who shoot the video, big up yourself because yo, the video well put together, my people. You understand? Imagine you're in the gym or workout, my people, and you hear this song from Steady Remz chipping. Workout time, that does motivate you, that does give the vibes. Because right now, my people, me see the artists them a drop from giving the ladies them the song. You understand? So Steady Remz and make the ladies them no say. Look at the man, me there and me a represent for you, all my ladies. And that's why Steady Remz comes a boom and them drop the song with the video. Imam Marlon Smoke name Workout Time. So my people, you want the full link to the song? Alright, here we go now. Check below in the description. Also check in the comment section for the full link for the song Workout Time from Steady Remz and Marlon Smoke, my people. Because I now keep it to myself. So Steady Remz, right about now Steady Remz. And this I gonna run the place for the summer. This I gonna run it for the Christmas. Steady Remz, Workout Time. You don't know the thing, my people. So you say Steady Remz, people. Me link Steady Remz now. I say Steady Remz. Who motivator with that song here? Who are your main motivator behind your musical talent? And them say, look at the man, you see the most I up above, and you see my mother, my first great supporter. No joke about mama thing, you know. And him say him want big up Marlon, him want big up Angel Delight, him want big up Kem, him graphic designer, and you don't know the part they got, and him want big up the whole UK who they buy any music from, one and I embrace him thing. So the whole UK who support Steady Remz, big up on yourself. But one thing I say, workout time, workout time, workout time, ready for take on the world. People, remember, watch the full music video. And Steady Remz, continue to do the good work, my brother. Continue to put up the good music there, my brother. And people, subscribe to the artist Vivo again. Subscribe to the artist YouTube channel because all heap and all heap works to the hand and belt. Steady Remz, Steady Remz. Marlon, hey, Jaja says, attack, 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 attack.
Workout time, gotta workout time. Workout time, gotta workout time. Everybody feel me like back it up. Pull up. Now, General, you have to talk to me early before you perform. You have Boston, Gyal farm, style and big up yourself. World mode, Barry Eye, it's a good look. Big up your body with check in, isn't it? Sharp man, you know your thing go. Yo, give me the man, we're there, man. Cherry, big up yourself for the whole family. Yo, outside man. My G, big up yourself. Remember you have been value in the place.
And start saying, you know, a normal party that. We up. No, you are my father. Buff them and the new dance so that I talk Jamaica. You know the thing, though. On the street, man. Man, now move. We there, man. We have to show them.